Aloha, welcome back to Ohana Manawa. This episode, we special guest, Chef Andy, who's going to be making a special dish for us. What are we making, Andy?
Mac and cheese.
We're making mac and cheese. Alright, what's the first step we need to do?
Wash our hands.
Wash our hands. Good job. I'm just being a cameraman slash sous chef today. Andy wanted to make a little snack for herself Saturday, so here we are. She wants to make mac and cheese. Mac and cheese time. Alright, good job, love. Alright, what's the first thing we need to do, love?
We need to...
Oh, brain fart. It's always good to follow recipes. It's a good guideline.
We're boiling the water.
Oh, we're getting the water boiling? Okay,
Yeah.
how much water do we have?
6 cups.
6 cups? Okay, on high heat?
High heat.
Okay, ready to boil? Look like you already started it, yeah, to get a head start? Alright, let's
You
put
add 6 cups.
Mm-hmm.
Then you add a little bit more so the macaroni doesn't suck up all the water.
Ah, good tip. Alright, let's put in the noodles. That's the cheese sauce?
Yeah.
Alright, put that on the side for later. Okay,
The noodles.
okay, let's pour it in.
The boiling water.
Okay, water's boiling, okay,
All of it.
all of it.
Put it this way. There's nothing in it.
Okay,
Then we stir.
stir. Alright. Got your tongs ready. Good job, love. About how long we need to cook the noodles, chef?
8 to 10 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes? Alright. Okay. Or
Al dente.
al dente? Good job.
Now.
Now what? Get the other ingredients ready?
Yep.
Okay, what's the other ingredients we need for the mac and cheese?
Milk,
Okay.
butter,
Milk,
and
butter.
stir well. Here's the milk.
Okay.
It's bubbling.
Yeah, it's bubbling. That means the noodles are cooking, right?
Yep.
Alright. What's next, love?
With the butter.
Butter. Okay. Alright. About how much milk do we need?
Half a cup.
Half a cup? Okay. Let's get your cup measurement out.
Dum, 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 dum.
Let's get a half cup going. Careful now. You need help?
Oh.
Oh, you got it. Good job. You got it.
There.
Okay, that's a half cup. Want me to start this for you, chef?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Alright.
Now we get the strainer.
Okay, get the strainer ready.
Yep.
Where are we putting the strainer? On the table?
We're
No.
gonna put it right in here.
That's a cool strainer. Very handy.
Now we get that.
Okay,
to
let's
get- Uh-oh.
It's like going fishing in there, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Couple noodles. Let's get a fork.
Okay. You ready?
Okay, let's put it in.
Okay.
Okay.
One more minute. Alright, let's pour it out. Good job. Good safety, love. Okay.
Pour it.
Pour it. Nice and slow. Good job, love. kids ever in a bind and want a snack after school, say they're at home, hey, let them make some mac and cheese. They can now. Okay, we're gonna put the pot back. Let's turn the heat off. Turn that off for now. Alright, what are we gonna do?
4 tablespoons.
Okay.
Tablespoon?
Okay.
Now
Put it inside.
now the milk. You got the milk ready?
Okay, add your half cup of milk, right? Okay.
Get the cheese ready.
Okay. You pour it inside.
Yep.
Okay. Are we just stirring it, or what are we doing with it?
We're gonna stir it.
Okay.
We're gonna pour the cheese.
Okay.
Then we're gonna stir it. Then
With a spoon?
the fork
Bruh.
or whisk.
Whisk. Okay. And stir with the whisk. Emptying the whole packet out. Good job, love.
Then we go stir it with the whisk.
You got your whisk. Stir, stir, stir.
Right.
Oh, looks good, chef. Okay.
Looks like eggs.
Yeah, that same color of the eggs, yeah? Stir it up, love. Spring in your noodles.
Huh?
Spring your noodles.
Noodles.
Mm-hmm.
The noodles coming in for landing.
How about you pour it all out? I'll hold the bowl for you. Good job, bro.
Gotta get all the noodles.
You got all the noodles out. Good job. Alright. Stir it up, love.
Stir, stir,
Stir it.
stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 do.
And there you go, have it, guys.
Mac and cheese.
Alright, thank you, Chef Andy, for showing us how to make a simple mac and cheese. Alright, guys, till next time, enjoy the rest of your day. Aloha.
Bye bye.